So today I'm with my crush Niharika. So we are going to be exploring MG Road. Hi Niharika, I'm sorry for giving you a left hand. Where are you taking me, by the way?
I don't know the specific name of that area, but straight and right.
Okay, awesome. Let's do it. So what do you do basically?
I dance.
By the way, your costume is just awesome. I really like your costume.
Thank you. This is the second time.
So you're from actually?
Odisha.
Oh, you should be knowing about Bhubaneswar and all right. It was very beautiful actually.
Main is Puri. You know Jagannath Temple.
Jagannath Temple, that Sun Temple.
Yeah.
Have you been there, by the way?
Yeah, that's my motherland, right?
So I am from Bangalore. Even I didn't explore too much in Bangalore as well.
That's fine. Like now you're exploring.
Yeah, I wanted to be a YouTuber, so now I'm exploring like that. Your smile is very, unique. It's very beautiful.
I told you not to make me blush.
All right.
I can't speak up. I'm not even looking at the camera. So thank you. Thank you though.
What made you to come here, by the way? Bangalore. Job.
Yeah.
Okay.
Job. Like, see, after graduation, I got selected in the pro. Then I went for training in Cochin,
Okay. Cochin, Chennai. Sorry, Kerala.
Kerala.
Ha.
Then after 3 months, my first project location was Bangalore. After that, Bangalore. I
Oh,
love the weather.
okay.
It's little harsh than Odisha.
Harsh. I think that is true.
Nowadays, it's really harsh.
Yeah.
See, it's 31 degrees. Like previous years,
It was like
really-
28. It will be like
Yeah,
28, 30. Yeah.
exactly.
It's getting too hot. Actually, it's too much of humid over here.
Exactly.
So what's your favorite place in Bangalore?
My favorite place is my home with my fiance.
Okay.
And after that, does Chikmagalur come inside Bangalore?
No. It's in
But
Karnataka.
Chikmagalur is my favorite.
And I've been to Chikmagalur. Yeah. But you should be visiting only in winter times. If you go in summer, it's will very
In
hot.
winters only. Summer, I don't travel.
Yeah.
In summers, I just love my room.
AC on, chill with a movie, Netflix. What's your favorite show in that? What's your favorite series?
On Jio Hotstar something. It's a Bollywood thing. Dopahiya.
Dupattaya.
Dupahiya. It's a Bollywood movie.
Okay.
Okay, so the story is kind of like it's a very like rural village. And inside that, there is dowry system and all. So the boys' side of family, they asked for a bullet.
Okay.
In dowry. And how they manage and all this, that is a very comedy show and
And they conveyed it in a very funny and
funny way, yeah.
Did you watch Mohana? Mohana 2.
Moana.
Mohana. Sorry. I'm a little bit excited.
It's okay, my fiance said says it Mauna. Little bit.
Did you watch that?
Moana too. Moana.
Mohana.
Not
Mohana.
Moana.
1 hour later.
Moana. So did you watch it?
Yeah, it's better than Moana 1, right?
I like Mohana 1. Like compared to
I loved Moana 2 as well.
Yeah?
I loved Moana 2 as well.
I recently watched 2 days ago. Like
Oh, okay.
I wanted to watch it. I didn't have a Hotstar. So now they gave like a free Hotstar, right? So I started watching it on that.
Yourself IP.
Yeah, exactly. And because of Reliance Jio bought that, no?
Yeah.
Where is your destination wedding kind of thing?
April 30 is my wedding.
That's crazy. Other 20 days.
Yeah.
You're chilling. That's nice actually.
In my village.
Odisha.
Yeah, it's with my grandparents.
Oh, house wedding, oh?
Yeah,
Oh.
not like house wedding. Other functions will be in the house because my village is a typical village. Like there is a river, and beside the river is my house. And the village suffers a lot during flood and all.
Oh.
So it's a typical village. know Bharat, right?
Bharat.
Like the groom comes with a huge people of like bunch of people dancing and all.
Oh yeah, it'll be fun. There'll be
Yeah.
dolls, everything.
So that's the main reason they're not coming to my village, and we are booking us somewhere else. The wedding mainly there is river beside, and
Okay.
the people will be drunk and dancing, so they can
I know. Good.
they can pause. So that's why it's not happening.
Is it allowed for in your culture to drink at the wedding?
See, my bunch of friends, not like elder,
Okay.
just booze and
For the like a bachelor party. Yeah.
I know it's
That friends will be doing it.
Anna, bedlam.
Oh, nice.
Buy me one rose.
I don't like
She is so sweet. She's so cute. She's so sweet. She's buying a food for him. That's very nice. Bye.
You know what happened one day? It was my first time in MG Road.
Okay.
It's like, you know LIT?
I know.
Yeah. I had a great dance night there.
Okay.
When I came out, so a little girl came to me. Akka rose. No, I don't like rose. Akka hug.
Okay.
I gave a hug and I gave 20 rupees. I told I don't want the rose, but I paid for one rose.
Okay.
And I gave her a hug. She was so like lovingly hugging
Yeah?
me. Yeah.
I'm super excited to meet him actually. Is he okay meeting me? Like, is it
No,
fine?
he is really shy, so you should switch off your camera first and make him get ready.
Okay.
I'm fine with you.
Okay.
Like,
Okay. So it'll be fun. Like, let's see, like how he reacts and stuff actually. So what's your?
what do you do actually? Never have a house party, no? Please come.
I would do that. I would have that for that. I'll come for the wedding as well if you invite me.
Odisha.
Yeah, I can come. I can make a good vlog also. I can show new places
Okay,
there.
sure. You're invited.
Awesome.
And the date is 30. So you can arrive on 29 or
Okay.
30th morning.
Okay.
It's not much of a function. It's like wedding and reception only.
Okay. It's a 2 days.
Yeah, because 29, my village is very far from airport. But if
Okay.
you want to come and vlog on 29th itself, then you're invited. You have to sleep on the floor with us.
That and all is fun. I like traveling and exploring. I'll tell you a story. I went to Rajasthan with my friend. Okay, his native is from Rajasthan. So basically, you can't imagine how that house was. Okay, I'll tell you, it was like like normal Bangalore kitchen. Okay, that is the size of a house. Okay, first floor is washroom and a wash basin. Next floor, kitchen and a hall. Next floor, room and a room. There's a steps inside that.
Floors, we have the first area, but rather than this home, there's a huge field. Okay,
So you do
my
farming.
My
Oh,
grandpa
wow.
was a headmaster. And after that, the side business is farming.
Oh,
So
that's
I
really
won't be
nice.
able to entertain you, but you'll get a lot of stuff in the
People
village
there.
and all.
That could be
They
awesome.
don't speak English that much. but
Oh,
yeah.
then I have to figure out. I'll get a Google Translate
Yeah,
away. So I have one task. Okay, you should do it. The task is very simple. You need to go to a random person or whoever it is, an auto guy, whatever it is. You have to ask him the address, but he'll say your address, but you have to walk in the opposite direction.
You know what? I've done it.
You have done.
Many a times in my
Excited to see Niharika's boyfriend, fiance. One was committed, one was into lesbian stuff, and one was doesn't want to get into a relationship. That was just like all the three were beautiful, and the fourth one, and you are very beautiful. No.
This is the food gully I was talking about.
Oh, okay. It's a mall actually.
Yeah, it's inside us there is a code. And that
Okay.
code is really old, actually. Like it's told by my friend, one of my friends.
Okay.
Just run and come.
Okay, okay.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Hey, bro. Hi, Dhanush. Dhanush, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Bhanu.
Banu, nice to meet you. You're from also Odisha?
Yes.
Oh,
Odisha.
that's awesome, man. Love come arranged marriage, oh?
No, it is not arranged marriage. It's like
Love come arranged. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. So happy to see you guys together. We'll go in? She wanted to try some food, actually.
No, because you were hungry, no, so I was waiting.
okay.
Concerned about but
Sure.
I'm so sorry to disturb your basically I talk to strangers and vlog with them.
Okay.
So, we will provide you an address. Okay,
Okay.
you have to ask someone for that address, like where is it? And after he completes his part, then you have to walk to the opposite direction.
You have to say that I'll go this way and I have
Oh,
to
shit.
walk that. That's a task.
Oh god. Have you tried that?
You have to do it now.
I gave her and she's giving it to you.
Actually, I wanted to know which side is the washroom. Where metro station किधर है? Second left from here. Oh. Okay.
That's awesome, man. That's awesome.
Thank you.
Smile.
Basically, I had to stop recording the video or stop spending time with them because they're newly about to get married. So I didn't want to disturb their personal time. So I thought I will do something else and give them the personal space that they want. Yeah. By the way, I really enjoyed spending time with them. Maybe from next video, I'll be doing exploring new places. I'll be talking to new strangers in a new place. So basically, I enjoy talking to strangers, so I'm making this kind of videos.